Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sticky English with John and Mateo. Today, we'll talk about something very useful, ordering food and having a small talk.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. I'm so hungry already.
Perfect, because today we're going to the restaurant. But first, let's warm up with greetings. Okay, Mateo, imagine we enter a restaurant. The waiter says, "Hello, good afternoon."
And I say, hello, good afternoon.
Great. You can also say, "Hi, good evening. How are you?"
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Excellent. Let's repeat together, listeners. Ready? Say, "Good morning." "Good afternoon." "Good evening." Now, let's practice a short dialogue. "Hello, how are you?"
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
"I'm fine, thank you." Nice job. In a restaurant, you can also say, "Table for one, please," or "Table for two, please."
That's easy. Table for two, please.
Perfect. Now, Mateo, let's talk about numbers, because you need numbers when you order food or pay the bill. Repeat after me, listeners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great. Now let's learn some bigger ones. 11, 12, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Okay, that's useful for prices.
Exactly. If something costs $10, you say, "It's $10." Repeat, "It's $10."
It's $10.
Great. If it's $15, say, "It's $15."
It's $15.
Excellent. You'll use numbers a lot when you order. For example, "I'd like 2 burgers and 1 soda."
2 burgers and 1 soda. Got it.
Now, Mateo, imagine we want to go out for lunch on a specific day. Let's remember the days of the week. Repeat after me, everyone. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Good job. Now, Mateo, tell me, what's your favorite day to eat out?
I like Saturday.
Me too. Saturday is perfect for a nice lunch. Let's practice together. I eat pizza on Saturday. I drink coffee on Monday. Very nice. In a restaurant, we see many objects. Let's learn some of them. Repeat after me. A table. A chair. A plate. A fork. A knife. A spoon. A glass.
A table, a chair, a plate, a fork, a knife, a spoon, a glass.
Very good. Now let's use them in short sentences. The plate is on the table. The fork is next to the knife. I drink water in a glass.
The plate is on the table. The fork is next to the knife. I drink water in a glass.
Excellent, Mateo. Now, listeners, your turn. Repeat. The plate is on the table. I drink water in a glass. Very good. Now, the best part, food and drinks. Mateo, are you hungry?
Always.
Okay, let's start with some common food. Repeat after me. Pizza, burger, sandwich, salad, rice, chicken, fish, soup.
Pizza, burger, sandwich, salad, rice, chicken, fish, soup.
Perfect. Now, drinks. Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea, milk.
Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea, milk.
Great. Now, let's make short sentences. I like pizza. I like coffee. I don't like fish.
I like pizza. I like coffee. I don't like fish.
Wonderful. Now, Mateo, imagine you're in a restaurant. How would you order food?
I'd say, I'd like a burger and a soda, please.
Excellent. Let's teach the listeners. Repeat after me. I'd like a pizza, please. I'd like some juice, please. Can I have a coffee, please? Very nice. Remember, being polite is important. You can say please and thank you.
Please and thank you. Got it.
Now, Mateo, let's talk about daily activities, things we do every day. Repeat after me, everyone. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I go to sleep.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I go to sleep.
Good job. Now, Mateo, when do you usually eat lunch?
Around 1 o'clock.
So you can say, I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
Perfect. Now, let's mix this with our topic, food. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Repeat after me, listeners. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Nice. Okay, now imagine this. You're in a cafe waiting for your coffee. The waiter or another person starts a short conversation, a small talk. Let's practice that. John, hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's a nice day.
See? Simple and friendly. Let's try another example. John, do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every Monday.
Great. And you can also say, I love the food here. The coffee is very good.
I love the food here. The coffee is very good.
Perfect pronunciation. Now, listeners, let's practice. Repeat after me. I love the food here. The coffee is very good. Good job. Now, the last part, paying the bill. When you finish your meal, you can say, can I have the bill, please? Or, can I have the check, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent. Then the waiter says, it's $20.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. And you say, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Great. Always smile when you say it. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today. Ready? Let's go. Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Numbers 1 to 10 and more. $10, $15.
Yes.
Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Objects. Table, chair, plate, fork, knife, spoon, glass.
A table, a chair, a plate, a fork, a knife, a spoon, a glass.
Food and drinks. Pizza, burger, sandwich, salad, rice, chicken, fish, soup.
Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea, milk.
Yum. Daily activities. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I go to sleep.
I do all that every day.
Me too. And we also learned how to order food politely. I'd like a burger, please. Can I have some water, please?
And small talk. How are you? It's a nice day.
Perfect for real life. Exactly. Practice every day, listeners. Repeat the phrases, use them when you can, even at home or in your mind.
And remember, smile and say please and thank you.
That's right. Thank you all for listening to English with John and Mateo. See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone. Don't forget to eat something delicious today.
Good advice, Mateo. Bye.